Hello everyone and welcome to the Not Too Shabby YouTube channel. Dawn here. Here is a sneak peek at one of the cards I'll be making today. I'm working with some fun products from the Not Too Shabby shop. They recently had a new release and I wanted to quickly share it with you. I'll be making two super quick cards using these products. First up is the Squeeze the Day pattern paper pack. This pack includes 12 different designs with 4 sheets of each design. As you can see, you get so many lovely prints that you can do so much with. The papers are double-sided, which always makes it hard to choose which one because honestly, I love all my pattern paper. The good news is you do get 4 of each design, which makes it a little easier to choose. I love the variety in this pack. You get lemons, stripes, ginghams, and polka dots. There's truly something for everyone. Next up is the Lemon Love and Lavender stamp set. This set is absolutely adorable and includes so many cute images that are perfect for coloring. The sentiments are really fun too and work great for a variety of cards. Then we have the Squeeze the Day Ephemera, and I am completely in love with this set. The images are just so adorable and you could do so much with them. They're perfect for creating quick and easy cards, which I'll be showing you today. You get so many images in this set, lots of mice doing the cutest things. Some are riding a scooter or a bike, some are carrying baskets, and others watering cans and, watering a lemon tree. And I absolutely love the cakes and cupcakes included. I went ahead and pulled out a few images that I'm interested in using on the two cards I'll be making today. For my first card, I picked out the 2 pattern papers I wanted to use and I quickly trimmed them down. The striped paper is trimmed to 5.5 by 4.25 inches, and the green gingham is trimmed down to 5.5 by 2.25 inches. Next, I'm going to take a basic rectangle die and cut it about an inch from the top of the paper. Next, I'm adding foam tape to the back of my pattern paper to give the card front a little dimension. I also like to add a small amount of liquid glue to the back of the foam tape. This gives me a little bit of wiggle room in case I need to move the panel around. Without it, the foam tape sticks right away. It makes it harder to reposition if it's not lined up perfectly. And I'm just adhering it to a white A2 size card base. Now I'm adding foam tape to the back of the cake image I chose and adhering it right in the center of the square. And look at how nice that's coming together already. I went ahead and added a happy birthday sentiment, and that finishes my first card. Moving on to the second card, I'm taking the piece of pattern paper that I cut to 5.5 by 2.25 inches and tearing the top edge. I like to tear the paper toward me so it leaves that white torn edge. I love doing this with pattern paper. It adds a little extra character to the card. I'm adhering this piece to a white A2 sized top folding card base. Next, I add foam tape to the back of the Squeeze the Day sentiment and adhere it to the card front. Then I add foam tape to the back of my mouse image and adhere that to the card as well. To finish off both cards, I'm adding some self-adhesive white pearls, placing them randomly on the card fronts. I like to use a craft knife to pick them up. It makes placement so much easier. Make sure that when you are adhering the pearls that you press them down afterwards so that they stick really good to the card. And that's going to complete my 2 cards. I think these turned out absolutely adorable and they were super quick and easy to make. They're sure to put a smile on anyone's face. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I'd love for you to leave a comment below and let me know what you think of the cards. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to the Not Too Shabby YouTube channel and follow them on their other social media so you don't miss out on any of the amazing inspiration they share. And don't forget to check out their website for the latest new releases. As always, thank you for spending a little crafting time with me and hope you have a wonderful day.